The next topic is solving quadratic equation using formula method. Given the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, my formula will become x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Remember the formula. Let us solve this. The first sum will be x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. You can directly put this in the formula, but since you are aware of how to find the value of b square minus 4ac, we will solve by finding the value first. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 5. This much you know already. Let us find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 6 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 5. So 6 6 are 36 minus 4 5 are 20. So my value is 16. Okay. Now this is new for you using formula. What is my formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let us substitute the value. Therefore x is equal to minus, what is my b? It is 6 plus or minus under root of, now since we have already found out the value of b square minus 4ac, that is 16, you put the value directly as 16 upon 2 multiplied by, what is your a? It is 1. Okay. Now how to solve this? Therefore x equal to minus 6 plus or minus, what is root 16? It is 4 upon 2 ones are 2. Now what to do further? Further you split this into 2 separate roots, that is x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 divided by 2, or x is equal to minus 6. Take now the negative part, minus 4 upon 2. Now this is solvable because these two are pure numbers. So therefore x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. And here, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 divided by 2. X is equal to 2 5s are 10, that is minus 5. The roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 5. Okay, now let us try with one more sum with different variable. Y square plus 1/3 y is equal to 2. Now here the equation is not in the general form, so we need to convert this into general form. That is cross multiply, that is 3y square plus 1y, simply write y upon 3, which is equal to 2. So now this 3 will get multiplied with this 2. So 3y square plus y, 2 3s are 6. Bring this towards left side. Remember that while writing the general form, the right side, remember while writing the general form, the right side should have only 0. Plus y minus 6 equal to 0. The next part is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 3, b is 1 and c is minus 6. Now let us find the value of b square minus 4ac. That is 1 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 6. You can put this inside bracket. 1 minus into minus plus 12 6 are 72. That is 73. So my b square minus 4ac is 73. Now let us use the formula. Using formula, if I write here x equal to, my entire sum will become wrong because in the question the given variable is y. So you are supposed to find out the value of y and not the value of x. So my formula will be y is equal to, right side will remain as it is, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So therefore y equal to minus, what is my b? 1 plus minus, and what is my b square minus 4ac? It is 73. 73 upon 2 into a. What is the value of a? It is 3. So therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 6. So therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. This is the final answer. So you will have to write therefore the roots of given quadratic equation are minus plus root 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. This is your final answer. Make a habit of putting the answer inside a box.